Meaning of Grant's tomb.
Grant's tomb.
Grant's tomb.
Grant's tomb.
Grant's tomb. Grant's tomb is the popular name for the General Grant National Memorial in New York City, a mausoleum that houses the remains of Ulysses S. Grant, the 18th President of the United States and Commanding General of the Union Army during the American Civil War. Completed in 1897, it is the largest tomb in North America and a significant example of Beaux-Arts architecture. The site also features a visitor center and offers tours and educational programs about Grant's life and legacy. Overall, Grant's tomb is a historic and cultural landmark that honors an important figure in American history.